Hi, I'm Stephanie.
I'm Will.
I'm Sasha.
I'm Ralph.
And we're the Bush family, and we're here at Kids Racing for Life. Kids Racing for Life is an event that's put on by Zolo Ministries, and it takes children with life-threatening illnesses, and it gives them an opportunity to spend a weekend together and to be able to ride in race cars and just have fun.
So this is organized by the PBOC group, and Audi North Orlando has been running with this group for the last 3 years. This is the 21st year of the Kids Racing for Life event, and when the three of us kind of got to learn how to work together, and that Mr. Shelley over here in Texas was running with this beautiful Audi Sport Customer Racing RS3 LMS, we saw a great opportunity to bring Audi-built race car to this event, let the kids climb around in it, and represent not only the southern region Audi of America, but Audi Sport as well.
So this event gives us an opportunity to relax and to come together and to be a family without having to worry about the medical stuff, worry about appointments, or any of the things that usually soak into our everyday lives. We just get to be parents, and they just get to be kids.
I think if you look at the expressions and the thumbs up that have been going on in and out of the paddock, it has just reinvigorated us. It's something that touches my heart from the moment we arrived this morning to when we saw the kids going out in the cars, just having the best day ever.
The kids get all jazzed and excited about these cars that they normally wouldn't get to see on a regular daily basis that we can get into. Some of these chances are a one-in-a-lifetime chance.
It's just an amazing opportunity to help connect Audi to the public, but in a way that's helping some really good kids and some families have a great weekend.
The biggest thing about this event for me was being able to see like $250,000 cars that you would never get to see as a car enthusiast. I'm sick a lot, so I don't get the chance to go out and see those cars when they come up. So doing this is like, it's hard for words to describe, honestly. Like, this means so much.
So we're really fortunate to be down here, and we really thank Audi North Orlando for the chance to do that, and all the people it takes and all the money it takes to put together an event like this. Because when you see these kids get into all these race cars down there, and the smiles they put on those kids' faces, you know that you've done something right.
This is amazing. It gives us freedom, and it gives us the time to just be able to be ourselves, our wacky, weird, maybe annoying selves. And we get to meet kids who understand everything that we go through. And the drivers during their time is a huge blessing, their cars and everything.
Audi North Orlando is super excited to be here for the third time in a row. I know we started a very small thing. Now we're just proud to become one of your main sponsors and bring a lot of people and a lot of good things for those families to have a good weekend.
Probably one of the biggest and best events that we've ever had, thanks to the sponsors and donors that we've had.
I mean, it's just been such an amazing year. We've had 64 families we brought this year. They are so fantastic. Some that come back, they are just like family. It's just really been fantastic. We really appreciate all the donors and the sponsors, and we just want to thank them.
Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you.